Okay, today I'll be showing you some of the challenges that GOtv users are facing, and they have received several calls regarding how to solve this particular problem. And what is that problem? As you can see on the TV, E-48-32, searching for signal. Press OK for signal information. Anytime you see this message on your GOtv displaying quite well that something is wrong with your connection, with your antenna connection, because what it simply means is that there is no signal from the antenna to your decoder inside your house. So doing the verification, number one place you are going to go to check to see whether it is right is at the decoder back. You will check your GOtv decoder. This is RF out, this is RF in. If eventually you make mistake by taking this wire that you're supposed to connect at the RF in and you plug it at the RF out, you will continue to see this message. So what you are going to do is, first of all, check whether this wire is properly connected where it's supposed to be, here. So sometimes some families that have children, their children will just go at the back of this decoder and pull this wire from this position. They will pull it out, not knowing that the wire is out from that decoder. So if this wire is out from here, it will still show you this message you are seeing on the screen. So go at the back of your decoder first of all to verify whether this place is well plugged in. If it is out, take your wire back and plug it inside. So once you plug it inside, tight it very well. It will come. The channels will start showing up again.